were talking about coming here, I was like, Mattia, this is really cool. Like, this is like, okay, what are the sounds of the cafe, right?
Yeah.
And so it's like, what are the different things? And what can we add to it? You know, and what can we get some music? Can we do this and that? And I think that's really neat. And it's like, so like when Mattia presented this stuff to us, I was like, he was asking me, he was like, Jeffrey, what do you think? And I'm like, this is curious. I'm really curious.
Nutella Cafe wants to deliver an experience to their customer through their food that they eat, obviously through Nutella, but also through what they live in the store. So, and in this case, we decided to go with the sound of things because it's an innovative way to look to experience through this sound emotion that is based on sound. Sound is very important nowadays for brand. Every brand is working on creating its own sound. We will arrive to that level also one day, but this was the first step for us to go in this direction, to connect our customer with the sound of Nutella.
We are living a big transformation for the first time after thousands of years. Maybe here is taking the place of the hive. This is happening, we believe this. So start using Sounds of Things, leave behind the old social network, Instagram and Facebook, and enjoy this night with Nutella and Sounds of Things.